Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are new, please subscribe. That's the only way that you are going to get notified when we post new content. If you're already a subscriber, welcome back. Please like this video. You do not lose anything, but you help to keep me motivated to make more videos, share more content, all for free. By the way, if you're looking to download forex systems, forex robots, forex strategies, indicators, books and stuff like that, all for free, there are links in the description box below. Visit those blogs and see if you cannot find what you are looking for. Sometimes people come and request things that are already on the blogs. Don't be that person. Go through the blogs and see if you cannot find what you're looking for. Then if you still cannot find what you're looking for, you can always come back and leave a request in the comment section below, and I promise to certainly make an effort to find the thing for you. After downloading the forex systems, robots, indicators, certainly you want to test them in real market conditions before giving them all your hard-earned cash. The links are in the description box below. For the broker that I use, you can actually deposit $5, $10 into your account just to test the robot, just to test the indicator or the system to see if it makes money before you actually go all in. So visit the broker that I use and open an account. You don't lose anything. It's just a $5 account, a $10 account. If you are struggling with anything concerning your forex trading, if you have questions, if you have challenges, if you have topics that you want me to make videos on, leave them in the comment section below and I'll certainly make a video on your question. I've been there, and I wish when I started I would have come across a channel like this where they were just sharing information for free. So go ahead and like this video, subscribe if you are not yet subscribed, share the video with your friends. Let's get into today's topic. In this video we are going to look at some of the most traded pairs on the planet. This is important so that you do not waste your time with pairs that don't really move that much. So you want to be able to trade pairs that are traded by many other traders. That way you are guaranteed that if you are correct, the market is really going to move. You don't want to place an entry and then you have to wait for many hours or even days for you to start seeing movement. So what are some of the most traded forex pairs that you probably need to have on your watch list if you are a person who's looking for pairs that move? First of all, Euro USD. It's one of the most traded pairs on the planet. So you will never go wrong with Euro USD. If you are looking for movement, certainly Euro USD, Japan USD JPY, US dollar versus Japanese yen. It's another pair that really moves. So be sure to have it on your watch list. GBP USD. This is partly because, for example, the yen. Japan is the economic hub in Asia, and GBP USD certainly is because London, we know London is a financial hub in Europe. So GBP USD does move. If you're looking for pairs that move on a daily basis, an average of 100 pips, GBP USD does move. Then also you need to have a USD card, US dollar versus Canadian. It certainly does move. Then if you're looking for metals, then you can certainly have gold on there. Gold is traded a lot on a daily basis and it moves. Same with silver. So those are some of the pairs that you need to have on your watch list if you are looking to have pairs that move, because when they move, and you're in the right direction, it certainly means that you can easily bank those pips. You can easily get the pips that you are looking for in the market, unlike having to place a trade and then having to wait several hours or several days to see any action. There are pairs like that, mostly exotic pairs. Some of them, they really don't do much, they just sit there. It's different with exotic pairs like USD Mexican, USD versus Turkish Lira, or USD versus SAR. Those are popular exotics, so they do move. But then you have pairs like GBP versus Singapore dollar, USD versus Russian ruble. Those other pairs are not traded that much, so you can place a trade on those pairs, and I guarantee you can wait for several hours. You will not see any movement. So yeah, if you have any other ideas of pairs that you know do move and are the most traded pairs that every trader certainly needs to have on their charts, leave your comment in the comment section below. Like this video, subscribe if you are not yet subscribed. Until next time, bye.